Hacks, tips, and tricks. Bus tips. 1. Plan multiple routes. Have a backup route in mind in case your preferred bus is delayed or unavailable. 2. Get a transit card. Many cities offer reloadable transit cards that offer discounts and convenience. 3. Use Google Maps. Google Maps often provides accurate public transportation directions, including bus routes and schedules. 4. Be visible. Signal the bus driver clearly if you want to board, especially if you're standing at a crowded stop. 5. Mind the gap. Be cautious when boarding or exiting the bus, especially if there's a gap between the platform and the bus. 6. Travel light. Avoid bringing bulky items or luggage during peak hours to free up space for other passengers. 7. Sit strategically. If you're prone to motion sickness, choose a seat near the front and by the window for a smoother ride. 8. Stay informed. Listen to announcements and keep an eye on digital displays for updates on stops and delays. 9. Respect priority seating. Priority seating is reserved for elderly, disabled, and pregnant passengers. Be ready to vacate these seats if needed. 10. Join a rewards program. Some transit agencies offer rewards programs that accumulate points for frequent riders, redeemable for discounts or free rides. Taxi tips. 1. Prefer licensed taxis. Licensed taxis ensure safety and accountability. Avoid unmarked or unlicensed cabs. 2. Negotiate fare in advance. In some places, negotiating a fare before the trip can save you money, especially for longer rides. 3. No local customs. In some cultures, haggling over fares is expected, while in others, it's considered rude. Understand local customs. 4. Avoid peak hours. Taxi fares may be higher during peak hours. If possible, travel during off-peak times to save money. 5. Learn basic phrases. If traveling in a foreign country, learn basic phrases in the local language to communicate with the driver effectively. 6. Check for safety features. Ensure the taxi has functioning seat belts and child safety locks if traveling with children. 7. Request a non-smoking vehicle. If you're sensitive to smoke, specify that you need a non-smoking vehicle when hailing a taxi. 8. Ask for recommendations. Taxi drivers often know the best local restaurants, attractions, and shortcuts. Don't hesitate to ask for recommendations. 9. Monitor route. Keep track of the route using GPS or a map app to ensure the driver is taking the most efficient route. 10. Provide feedback. If you encounter exceptional service or face any issues, provide feedback to the taxi company for improvement. By applying these tips and tricks, you can make your bus and taxi journeys more efficient, comfortable, and enjoyable.